this. Oh, that was slick, Sloan. Alright, yo, mofos! It's Clobberstomp coming at you with another episode of Feed the Beast. Welcome back, guys. We're on the Ryotcraft server today, taking a look at Feed the Beast Monster. So, last episode, we found a home. We started getting further into advanced genetics. And I don't remember exactly where we ended, but I told you that I was going to get up my base set up, so I did. Look at this. So, I just moved some basic stuff over here. I got my high voltage solar arrays. And I found these ender lily seeds, so I started planting those. Those have been up and running for a little bit. And we got some basic little farming going on, little stuff. And I really like these sakura trees. So, I'm gonna plant these like all over the place. Like, I found a biome in another server I was playing, and it was like a cherry tree biome. So it was like super awesome. These look super cool. So, I'm gonna plant them all over and try to make this, make it look really cool. Add some more color. We're not really doing much with this area yet, but what I wanted to show you today is we have now got our base pretty set up so far with our advanced genetics. And I can't remember exactly where we left off, but I believe the last place we left off was the DNA splitter and creating cells. So I wanted to see, as you can see, I've got the jump boost 2 on the left side there. Check this out. So I did complete one of those genes, and I can jump 2.5 blocks high. Look at that! So awesome. Oops, I got my jetpack on, sorry. It's pretty good. Like, that's pretty not bad. So almost like 2.5 blocks high, something like that. Pretty cool. So that was really not too hard. But what I want to show you today is, I don't know if you see him in here. Did you see him? Where is he? Are you hiding, buddy? Or did you die? Did he go away? Did you fly away? Oh, I had a bat in here, and I took all his cells, and I created this, a flying gene. He was hanging out right up here, but he must have died. I don't know what happened to him. That's okay. Maybe he'll come back. Maybe he went out the door. But anyways, we put the basic cell in there, which we've got skin cells. We put that in here, and we get the helix that's encrypted. We put in the decryptor, and it decrypts it, and it makes a gene when we do the splitter, and I found one for fly. Bats give you fly. Pretty sweet. So, what I've been doing is I've been gathering a whole bunch. I got another one, too. I got this from chickens. You get no fall from chickens. Pretty sweet. So, I'm going to take all these cells, since I think we're going to need them all. And I'm going to show you the next steps. Oh, burp. Here we go. So, the next step is to make the DNA breeder. We made the DNA breeder, we made the DNA combinder, the DNA transmuter, the DNA remover, and the centrifuge. So I finally got the centrifuge up and running, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. But what we did is we can put our fly gene in here, and look at that. We need 28 of these genes. So let's get started. So I'm going to go through and add all of these. I'm going to turn them all into helixes. They're all going to be encrypted, obviously, which is fine. We'll go through. I want to show you this process. It's a little bit lengthy, but what we're doing is we're just changing all of these into the helixes. And the next piece is to turn them all into decrypted helixes. And then we can split it, and we don't really need to split it. They're all going to be basic, really, because you can use the combiner to combine any um, any basic genes or any different other types of genes to make that flying one. The flying one was the first one we put in, which means we have to link all the other genes to that to make the flying gene, which is okay. We will do that. So we're going to finish these up here, and then we're going to add them to, once we get through the extractor, we're going to have to decrypt all of them. And I don't even know if I have all 28, but let's see. Let's get through that. I've got 5 more. I might have to go through a couple more when we're done, but at some point we want to automate this, and I am not exactly sure how to do that. So when we put a cell in, it just goes through. Eventually what I want is to put a cell, oops, we put a cell in here and it just goes, and it comes out in the other end. That's what we want. How many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3 is 18, plus 6, 24, 25, 26, 27. One more. We need one more. Let's take some cells. Those are bad cells. Ugh. I don't want any of those. Okay, let's start decrypting these. Which is not too difficult of a process. It's a little mundane having to do each one at a time. So the next piece is to obviously get this going so we don't have to worry about this anymore with all automation. And I think we can do that with transfer pipes. If I remember correctly, transfer pipes will work pretty well, and I think we can just get those to kind of move everything that we need back and forth. Alright, so we are moving along. The overclockers are helping us out. So as you can see, the helix turns into, it starts with this encrypted, then it changes it to the type of gene it is. Whoa, that's got a bunch. I might put that one off to the side because it gives me a bunch of good ones. So we might have to make 2 more of these. Oh, there's a few. Looks like they're pretty easy to get. Well, so let's get through these and we'll see what they look like. We're gonna need 1 more because we only have 27 here. And I'm gonna eat a few apples, put those away, and then we'll have enough inventory to do both. Alright, there we go. So let's eat a couple apples. We're gonna put those away. I don't need them right now. We'll put our chest plate away as well. And now we will go through the process. I don't want to do that. Let's get our scraper out. Let's go get... Oh, it's dark out. Let's sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. And we will go find... We'll go get one of those sheeps and smash him. We'll go get his cells. So I'll show you how to do this. Heard him. Brrr. Brrr. Where you at, buddy? Oh, there's a chicken. Let's get a chicken. So, you just walk up to your little buddy that you want to get skin cells from, and you right-click on him, and he drops a cell. Oh, we don't need that egg. It's in the way. Come here. Come here. Come here. Chickens are hard. I got you. Oh, watch out for the manticore. Run away, run away. Alright. So we'll put that away now that we've got 2 different skin cells. 1 skin cell, that's fine, that's all we needed. We'll put that away, and we'll put this through here. And we'll put that through here. We'll put that other thing down here. We've got the encrypted helix. Move that helix to here. Alright, so Now we need to split the DNA. Since these are all going to be fine, we're going to just do basic on all of these. So we will finish all of these out. Now, I'm wondering whether or not you can automatically choose the gene. Oh, I bet we have to... Is there an auto splitter? Auto splitter. We're going to have to make one of those and then automate this whole thing. And have it all go to like a chest or something else. I think there's... I don't remember what it's called. I have to look it up, but I think it's something like a cabinet. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look that up. Let's see. Cabinet. Yeah, filing cabinet. Here we go. Well, it's not too hard to make. So I think, yeah, we can put everything in a filing cabinet. And then everything we can pump out of there. So this is, as you can see, it's a little time consuming. It's not too bad. Oh, that's encrypted. What? Decrypt that sucker. I must have skipped one. Basic gene. Whatever. So we'll go through these. And we'll get all these cells. And then what we're going to do is... Yeah, no fall. I already got one of those, so that's good. I was also looking up that if you die, so right now I have the jump boost. If I die, if I get killed by something or I fall in lava or something, I lose that genetic enhancement. It goes away. So just be aware of that. And I haven't tested this yet. I haven't went and just gone and died. But if you die, you will lose your genetic enhancement. At least that's what the wiki said. So, which I thought, I'm like, that's kind of cool. I guess if you get a kind of one that you don't want, you can just get rid of it. And I think there's a way to get actually take it away. I'm not sure. I have to do a little bit more research on that, but apparently there's a whole bunch of different things you can get, and I think there's one that makes you actually like invincible, like you can't even be hurt. So I don't know, and I think you get that from DNA from the end dragon. So I don't know. There's some pretty cool stuff that you can do with advanced genetics. So if I were you guys, I would totally look at it. Because I'm really excited about this, because this is going to be awesome. We're going to do, like, all of them. And we're just going to be, like, a super genetic mutation. So, let's add these in here. This is going to take a while, I see. Why did that one not go? Does it only take basic genes? Do we screw this up? Yeah, okay, so it won't take the special ones. Well, I'm glad I chose basic on most of them. It won't take the special ones, so... Okay, that's new information. So apparently you need basic genes to add to all of these, because it won't work with the ones that have special. So I kind of screwed that up. Unless we make another flying one, I bet that would work. Alright. So we actually need 7 more. So let's go get a scraper. And I'm going to go get 7 more, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. I've got 7 more. Went and found a chicken in the back. Killed him. And I got a bunch more of no fall, so we're going to take a look at those too. So 1, Here's the moment of truth. Look it. Bam! Gene completed fly. So, now what we need to do is make a syringe. Now, I've already got one. So, you take the syringe and you right click it. Oh, I hate taking my blood. Makes you a little nauseous. World goes woozy. That's okay. You take your syringe. It says syringe filled. You gotta put that in your centrifuge. So you gotta centrifuge it. Then we can take that and we can put the gene for fly and the syringe, and combine them so it's filled. Then you gotta take the syringe one more time and put it in the centrifuge. And now this is gonna say centrifuged, syringe filled, and centrifuged. There we go. So let's take this and let's inject it in by right clicking. Oh, look, I got nauseous. It's so hard. Oh, let's get past. So let's take off this. Let's get it to be light out. We want to see what we're looking at when we do fly. Let's see what this is all about. This is going to be sweet. Let's see if it worked. So we go outside, double click. Look at that! Oh, we have creative fly. Will I get hurt if I have that? No. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, right. So, now since we talked about that whole dyeing thing, I can take my blood. And now we've got a syringe full of my blood that is now ready to go for, and we're not going to centrifuge this because the guys on the server don't know yet. So we've got that. That is a good, I'm going to have to figure out how to label these. I wonder if there's a labeler. Let's look, because we need to kind of know what that is. So that syringe, oops, advanced gene. Is there anything in here that would be able to, antidote? Oh, that's neat. I don't think there is. What's the next page? Up, there is no next page. Microscope. I wonder what that's for. We're going to have to look that up too, but we're going to have to figure out a way to label this so I know that that's flying. So if I die, I can come back and I'll get that syringe, inject my blood, take my blood again, and now we've got fly. We've got creative flight. This is so awesome. The cool thing about that is I can wear any armor I like. That's awesome. So let's get our diamond chest plate out. We'll put that in there because we don't need it anymore. And now we've got full shields on enchanted armor, and we can pretty much fly wherever we want. That is totally the coolest thing ever. Oh, that is sweet. Let's check out a couple of these other ones. So we've got woolly, and I gotta look this up. Woolly. I wonder what woolly does. Woolly is woolly. Oh, I think woolly. Well, it said woolly, and then there was the ability to eat grass on one of them, wasn't there? So I think let's do the woolly 8. Well, it'll take that one. Woolly, woolly, woolly. And these are all no fault. And eat grass. There's eat grass. So woolly is going to give us... It's not going to take those ones. So all the no fall ones can go in here. Eat grass I'll keep. So those all go together. So we need more. We need 2 more. Let's go get 2 more. I think the woolly means that other animals will be able to be shearable. I don't have a scraper. Shoot! Oh, there's a spider spawner here too, so I'm gonna have to let that like go away, and then so I can get some scrapings from the spiders, because I'm thinking the spiders will give us an ability as well. I don't know what it is though. Where's my scrapers? Okay. Scrapers. I'm gonna come scrape you. You're getting scraped, cows. Get some. Alright, let's get, yeah, this guy right here. Hey, bud. I need some of your cells. Give it to me. Give me that cell. Come here. Stop running. Give it to me. I need more. Give me all of them. Alright. So many cells. Okay, we got a bunch. This is good. Let's go back and see if we can get some basic genes out of these cows. And then, let's see. Cell of a cow. Alright, so that 3 should be good. Hopefully we'll have good luck here. Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's decrypt them. Infinity milk and basic gene. Okay, I don't know what infinity milk is. That's cool. Infinity milk, basic gene. I wonder if you always get that. Infinity milk. Well, perfect. Because we only need 2. We're going to do basic gene on both of these, and this one will give us our infinity milk. Fantastic. And basic gene. We can go fill those with... Perfect. Alright, let's add these to the combiner. Or the breeder, I mean. And we will take the woolly gene and put that in there. We need another syringe. Let's take our blood. Ouch, it hurts. Okay, blindness. Alright. Oh, we got to centrifuge it first. Centrifuge? Centrifuge your blood. It's gotta be good. Can't be good blood if you're not centrifuging it. Alright. Centrifuged. We're going to combine this here. Yes! And now we're going to centrifuge it one more time, and then we're going to inject it. Yes. Alright. Inject. Oh. This is great. Shears. Perfect. And we're going to take our blood. So now this has shears. Oh, blindness. So now we've got 2 flies. Fly, fly, and shear and jump. Alright, let's go see if this worked. Let's go see if we can shear a flipping cow. Because if we can, that would be the coolest thing ever. Come here, buddy. I took your cells before, now I'm taking your skin. That didn't work. Shear everything. Maybe we can shear a cow. Maybe we need a special tool. Oh, he's pissed. Well, we're gonna have to figure that out. I don't know what that means. Maybe I'm wrong. What does woolly do? I'm gonna have to figure that out. Maybe in another episode I will tell you guys what it's all about. But I'm pretty sure it was you can shear everything if you have woolly. But I'm probably dumb. Don't know what I'm talking about. Bummer. Every entity is now shearable. I don't know what that means. We'll have to figure that out. But anyways, we've got creative flight, and that's the coolest thing ever. Yes. So that's pretty much the entire advanced genetics in a nutshell. So go ahead, and I think I'm going to end the video here, and go ahead and punch that like button right in the mouth, and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so we can keep this series rolling. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace!